Today's ad from 1918. Spanish flu got you down? Worried that pneumonia's next? Don't worry. Granny Chamberlain has you covered with her patented Chamberlain's Cough Remedy. The persistent cough that frequently follows influenza can be relieved by Chamberlain's Cough Remedy. As Granny says, no one who has not had influenza can realize the suffering it causes or how it defies treatment. I know of nothing that will give such prompt relief as Chamberlain's Cough Remedy, for when it is taken, the pain in the chest disappears, the fever subsides, and the whole body becomes more comfortable. Though the greatest danger from this disease is pneumonia, I have never known a single case of influenza to result in it when Chamberlain's Cough Remedy was freely given. Therefore, take Granny's advice and start taking Chamberlain's Cough Remedy today.